What's up, curlies? I'm Eliana, aka Naturally Curly, and we're back today to color my hair again. Don't tell my mom, even though she'll find out from this video anyway. But I'm pretty excited because I'm going to be trying out eSalon today. I've been seeing them online for a really long time, and I'm no stranger to like box dyes and doing research on my own. But what's really cool about this website is that they can customize your color based on your wants. So I'll go ahead and break down the process for taking the quiz and then ordering the product to my home. So here's the eSalon page, and it's pretty straightforward doing your hair quiz. I guess I can just walk you through what I clicked for. I say I have color and highlights already. I wanted to keep the dimension of my hair, so keep the highlights. I like permanent because I don't want to go back and have to dye my hair over and over, even though I'm pretty guilty of that anyway. Do both. No, I don't remember. Let's say no. This might be a terrible example, y'all. I'm sorry. So as you can see, it has some pretty straightforward questions on the quiz. I feel like I don't really have to explain this part, but it's helpful. Let's go with this. My hair is black, but we'll go with this. And I did add a photo of my hair. Actually in its brassy state. I felt like showing it in dire need would kind of help them understand where we're coming from so that it would be strong enough, but I'm gonna skip uploading this for now since I already did that. Now what's interesting about eSalon, and you'll hear this from in-salon stylists, is when you want to change your color or cover up, you really can only go darker. You cannot lift your hair color or lighten it with hair dye. You need bleach for that, and they're not going to send bleach out for a bunch of people to do at home because that would just be disastrous. So all you can really do is go darker. I really like my hair ashy. I don't like any type of warmth or brass because my hair already has such warm undertones. So I went for, I think this is the one I went for, the 4.71. But you can go all the way to a natural black color. They even have like almost like a blue black over here. And then you can choose which kind of color you would like. I went with ammonia 0% because it just seems healthier for curls. And I did type in here that I wanted to color my hair all over and bring the ash back to take out the brass, but I still wanted my highlights to pop through and not be completely covered up. So I'm not about to type that all up again, but that's what I said. And then we just finish it up. I don't feel like really wanting to color my hair again. I want it all to blend out, so that's what I chose. And then you put in your information. They tell you what's going to come with it, and you get your hair dye order. And now we're ready to unbox and see what came in the mail. So, pretty cute box, eSalon. What I like about this is that it's not excessive. It's not like a tiny box and a huge box, which is, in my opinion, super wasteful. It's just like one box of what you need. So when you open it up, this is what you first get. You get the instructions, the little hair painter brush. What's pretty cute is there's a sticker that you can even like stick up your instructions, I guess, against the wall if you need it to reference it while you're standing. And then this is what came inside. Now, what got me a little bit messed up is that I made it pretty clear I wanted to color all of my hair, and they gave me like the roots only bottle, but that's okay. I'm just gonna section my hair and make it work somehow. What's pretty cute is it says my name right on the front, Eliana's color. I don't know if y'all can see it very clearly. What does have me a little bit messed up is that it says roots only. And I made it pretty clear in my description I wanted to do like an all over color wash to get the right tone. But we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna section my hair. Thankfully it's not that dense or thick, so I think I can stretch it to cover the whole thing. Now it also comes with, of course, the developer for the dye to work. and the shampoo and conditioner and some gloves. So I'm gonna put on an old t-shirt and get started. Start sectioning this hair. I guess before we do that, let's like look at the color. So I'll put a picture on the side of kind of the color inspiration I was going for. Something really subtle. My hair is like naturally black, which is cool, but what I don't like is that you can't really like see any of the texture of the hair. It just like disappears into blackness and it's not naturally very shiny. And what I like about having a little bit of color is that like it looks much more voluminous and like you can really see the shape of the curls. However, because my hair naturally is so dark, I feel like the pieces look so warm, like almost orangey, which really irks me. And just like the roots are like fine, they're kind of blended. The back though, I feel like there's some pieces that are just really extra blonde that didn't need to be that blonde. Honestly, it was fun for a second while it lasted, but now that it's like so light and brassy, I'm ready to go like brown and call it a day and just kind of like let the roots grow out so it blends in. Kind of like my inspiration picture on the side. So here's hoping for the best. I hope it doesn't like lighten all my hair and then I have like black brown, but there's only one way to find out. And I don't feel like paying all this money to go to a whole professional, sorry. So let's just see what happens. Before I forget to read the instructions, let's do that. I love how it says roots only, that's a lie. It's going all over, baby. Before, prep and section, brush dry hair, divide the hair into 4 sections, apply stain guard. I don't think we got that in here, but that's okay. Put on the gloves and mix the developer and color. So I'm gonna go ahead and just section first. That shouldn't be too hard. My hair actually like brushed out with my fingers really fast. Okay. All right, that's good enough, y'all. Good enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the gloves and start putting the color throughout my hair. I think I'm going to put it on the back first. That way it starts developing and dyeing in the back first, where you kind of want it darker, and then work its way towards dyeing the front. Does that make sense? Because usually when your hair is colored, it's a little bit lighter framing the face and darker towards the back. So let's hope that science applies here and start getting these gloves. What I do love is it comes with multiple glove sets, one for actually dyeing your hair and then the next for rinsing it, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about getting dye on your hands at all, just because it's like not the best for your skin. So here goes Eliana's color. Ooh. I'm nervous, y'all. Are you nervous? I'm nervous. Okay, that's all of our color. Alright, y'all, here goes nothing. I'm really nervous. I can't believe I'm doing this right now, but yeah, I'm tired of being orange Bobo the clown, so here we go. I am gonna put it like more toward my roots first, that way it doesn't grab on the ends right away and make them like weird and super dark, hopefully. It is kind of stinky, but supposedly it's ammonia free, so I'm glad I'm not like inhaling hell of that right now. I think the worst smelling thing I've ever put in my hair is toner. And I made the dumb decision to like smell from the bottle, and I almost just, you know, took a tumble in the bathroom. So make sure you have good air ventilation if you're gonna do these insane things to your hair. Not bad timing wise, and there's a decent amount left in the bottle, which I'm pleased about, so I can do like one more run through all over and just make sure the application is as even as one can get it at home. don't want to get on my face. Even more on the back of my head. Alright, so the dye is pretty much all up in there. I'm gonna go ahead and clip it away and wash my head and the wall. And then I'm definitely gonna follow up with Olaplex before I use the dye shampoo, just to make sure that my curls are well taken care of. And I'll see y'all, according to the instructions, in 35 minutes.
And here we go with the given shampoo and conditioner. Not really sure what to tell you about the shampoo. It lathers. There you go. You're welcome.
Are y'all ready? Are we ready for this? It's pretty dark. We can show some of the contrast against the black. It's not like, the lighting in here is shicey. It's not black, but it's pretty dark compared to the bottle name of like medium ash brown. I don't hate it. I like it. I was definitely in shock at first. And in a couple washes, it'll lighten up for sure. Like I can barely kind of see some highlights still. Let's see the back real quick. And it is just like drying a touch more, but I think this is what it is. What do y'all think? I feel like I'm pretty much almost back to my natural black color. There you can see a little more of the brown. Yeah, so overall with my experience, do I think eSalon is worth the money? I got $10 off because I used PayPal, so it went down from $30 to $20 actually. I feel like I could have just gone to Walgreens, y'all, and spent like $8 and the exact same thing would have happened, to be honest. I do appreciate, like, it was an ammonia-free dye. My hair does feel like the strands themselves, they feel thicker, like more fortified and healthy, which is always nice after dyeing. I did Olaplex overnight afterwards as well. I don't know, I think when you're doing custom things online, like, it's kind of a what is it called? Like a draw of luck, luck of the draw. Is that the word, the saying? But y'all get what I mean. So it's fine. I'm happy with it and I'm gonna just rock it how it is. But I don't know. I don't think I would like really recommend eSalon unless I was like intending to go this much darker. Or I don't know, I guess if you're just trying to like cover your grays or like match the color that you're already at. It sounds like they're really good for that, like matching your root color to the rest. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm not gonna go ahead and recommend that y'all go ahead and like spend your money on that one. You could just like go to the drugstore and do some research and like get a box for way cheaper yourself. So, you know, it was cool while it lasted. We tried it, y'all. We'll see like what happens with this color as I continue washing and living with it. But yeah, I hope this was helpful for you at least. I hope it satisfied like your curiosity. I don't think I will be a repeat customer of eSalon. But go ahead and leave some comments down below, your questions, your opinions, be honest, and thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Are you guys still there? I have no self-control. So I googled remedies for hair dye that's too dark, and a decent like natural one was pretty much crushing up vitamin C pills with water, with like warm water to dissolve it, and then putting that in your hair for an hour. So, sorry mom, she's gonna kill me, but I did it again. I changed the hair color again for the 6 trillionth time in a pandemic, but I feel happier. I'm like at peace again, back to brown. Hopefully you guys can see it with this hairstyle. One awkward thing was like all the tutorials showed like white vitamin C pills, and when I opened the bottle I already paid for, they were like brown. So I don't know if that like deposited any color as well. I mean, it looks alright in the camera right now. I always want it to be as ashy as possible, and that's gonna be another journey. So I think I'm gonna actually chill this time. I'm really gonna try my best. And along the way, I'm going to be experimenting with some like blue masks, like ash tone depositors to wash and style my hair. So I'll definitely be reviewing those and giving you the rundown of my experience, but hopefully I can stick to my promise and actually stop coloring my hair so much because I'm the worst. Yeah, I hope this was informative. I hope at least it's like entertaining, this whole crazy, colorful, curly journey. But yeah, till we meet again.